I thought I'd make a video of completing this square just because I think some students were frustrated and weren't sure exactly how to do it. So what completing the square consists of is turning an equation that is in standard form into an equation that is in vertex form. So we went yesterday and we went the other direction. We said let's take this and turn it into this. So now we're going to go backwards. We're going to go the other way and turn an equation in standard form into vertex form. Well, this process is called completing the square. So when I do this, it always starts with the same steps. So I'm going to rewrite the equation by rewriting and putting a space in after the 4x, or after whatever term has x, and then a space again after the constant. So I'm going to add something to complete the square, but I can't just add something to the equation. I need to subtract it as well. So that's why I have that minus over there. So the question becomes, what number do you add to this part right here to complete the square? Well, that consists of the coefficient of x, which is b, divided by 2 squared. So it's half of b squared. So in this case, for our purposes, it's negative 4 over 2 squared. Negative 2 squared is 4. Well, I can't just add 4. I need to also subtract it, so that's why that's there. Okay, so move this over. And we're gonna complete the square. So we already completed it. So now I just need to rewrite this part here as something squared, and I can actually subtract the other part right now. So I'm going to take that 17 minus 4 and get 13. So I already got the 13, and I just have to figure out, well, what does x squared minus 4x plus 4 factor down to? Well, essentially, what does the final look like? Well, it's very simple, actually. It's pretty much going to be x, and depending upon the sign, plus or minus, whatever you had, b over 2 squared. So in this case, b was negative 4. Well, b over 2 is negative 2, so it's x minus 2 squared. And that would be the answer. I changed the equation that was in standard form into an equation that is now in vertex form by the process called completing the square.